How to upload resume to LinkedIn. First of all, go ahead and open up the LinkedIn application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the LinkedIn homepage. Here, you can view posts from all your connections and pages that you follow on LinkedIn. On this page, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile. Go to your profile from here. Here, go to the top right corner and tap on the settings icon. Then, go to data privacy. Scroll down to the job seeking preferences and tap on job application settings. You will then be taken to this page on LinkedIn. Here, tap on upload resume. You can choose documents from your device files over here. Select your resume. You have now successfully uploaded your resume. Following these steps, you can easily upload resume to LinkedIn. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.